welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing Zara spring haul with you, and if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Zara. Guys, the first items I will be sharing with you is this amazing number here. Just look at the gorgeous of this blazer. I will be doing the cutting now so that you can see the details of this blazer. It's amazing. It's very, very lovely. If you are searching for a blazer dress, I will say go for this number. It's a white blazer dress. Although you can still style it as a basic blazer, depends on your taste, depends on your sense of fashion. I say this blazer, Zara, well done. When I saw it, I know that I need it in my wardrobe because I have other white blazer, but I don't have a blazer white dress. I think it's something that you take in consideration. But blazer is something that you wear all over the year, because winter time you can add any coat on top. Springtime you can just add singlet or t-shirt, depends on your sense of fashion. I will say this number here is very, very lovely. And personally, I'm going to be adding t-shirt on top because that is the way I feel comfortable. Although it's a blazer dress, but I just prefer it with body t-shirt on the upper side. So do you, because I think fashion is something that you can really make it personal. I love this number. I don't know if you can see the details of the button. Like I said, I'm going to be doing the cutout, and for size reference I decided to take it in large. I will say size up if you have the intention to style it as dress, because it's made as blazer dress, but I still have the intention to style it with any type of short in summertime. You can go wrong, and it's very, very lovely. I don't know if you can see the length. It's amazing. We all know that you can style oversized blazer as a dress, but having a blazer that is dress, I think the length is very, very lovely. And for price reference was 59.99, 60 euro. I don't know if you can see the details of the button. This blazer is amazing. Let me show you the cut on the back. This is called elegant. It's very, very sophisticated. If you are searching for a pieces that is very, very elegant, very summer appropriate, or if you have opportunity to leave home, have occasion, I will say go for this number. The length, the quality is amazing. Somebody will think that it's a brand that is more expensive than Zara. Although you can mix and match, you can decide the different destination, you can style it different way. Personally, when I'm going to be wearing, I just love the fact to put oversized t-shirt on that so that I will just feel secure. It's just my personal taste. Of course, it's a blazer dress, so you can even wear it without any other issue. Just that my own personal taste, the way I like to style blazer dress. I like to add oversized cami or t-shirt. Is just my style, it's just my thing, so you can do you. This one was for my previous haul. I will say this is the way I intend to wear it if I want to wear it as blazer dress, as the way it was made. I will say this number here is must have. Another way you can style this blazer to keep it very, very easy and casual is adding a simple body from Zara. This body is a basic. Zara have it all over the year. It's white. I don't know if you can see the details. It's just a simple way to just style it, to just keep it very, very simple, very casual. And you can add a basic blue jeans. Just look at this number. So if you are somebody that is going to a place, maybe you have this in your wardrobe, but you still want to dress elegant, you don't want to overdress, just drop it on top of your shoulder, you are ready to go. It's a way to keep it a little bit dressing but not too dressing, but at the same time you will look good together. So having a blazer dress, I would say this plus, because it's those items you can mix and match, depends on your sense of fashion, depends on your destination. Having this in your wardrobe is like having 3 pieces, 4 pieces, because you can style it in different way. I would say this number here is must have, because when you know when something is working in your wardrobe, items that you can style immediately 4 or 5 ways, I will say go for that, because those ones are going to improve your outfit. It's those ones that are going to improve your sense of aesthetic. I will say this number here, this must have. I will say it's very, very lovely. Guys, the other items I pick is this number here. Just look at the details of the golden button. I will be doing cutout so that you can really see the details of this shirt. Is amazing. I just love it. I think it's very, very lovely. And for size reference, I take it in L, and for price reference it was 19.99 €. Very, very affordable and elegant. I think white shirt, elegant one, you can't go wrong. Although I believe in terms of white shirts, you need different type. You need the more dressing one, and you need the casual one. Depends on your destination. Personally, if I have the opportunity to go to river or to go to the beach, I love wearing white shirts with my costume. I think in my skin tone, you just look nice. It's something that makes me feel comfortable with myself. Depends on the destination, especially when I'm going where there's a lot of kids. I just like putting a very casual white shirt. It's just something that makes me to relax, feel comfortable. This one is more dressing. So I will say any type of blazer you have at home, since it's white, is a neutral color. It goes with different items you have in your wardrobe, with your basic t-shirt, graphic t-shirt, or if you have any sophisticated elegant blouse, just imagine with this white shirt, with your sneakers, with your big bag in summertime. Wow, that is a total another outfit. I would say it's something that looks very elegant and sophisticated. And the fact that they have this amazing sophisticated button, I would say is must have, and have a real pocket. Although I don't advise you to put anything in your pocket, because I think a lady look a little bit funny in short adding things in your pocket. Just let it look flow, It's a little bit more elegant. I would say this number here, I know that I can style it with different blazer, because since it's white. Just to give you example, I just decided to add this body, this black body is very shiny. Just imagine this 2 number in summer. I will say it's very lovely. Or spring is something that you can add any other items on top. I don't know, let me know if you can guess the reason why I picked this shirt. I think if you are somebody that have been watching my video, I think you already know the reason why I picked this shirt. Just look at this number together. Wow, I don't know if you can see it. They have exactly the same button. If you are somebody that is searching for a matching white blazer with elegant shorts, I will say go for this number. I don't know if you can see the button. It's exactly the same button. I will say this must have. I have intention to style both of them together, and I have intention to separate them, because when I saw this blazer, I said, with this short, it's something that this will take me to the next level. Although I'm just adding this black body, you can add any body of your choice, and or even cropped, depends on your style, depends on your sense of fashion. I will say this number here is must have. Guys, the other number I will be sharing is this one here. Look at this color, look at this dress. I will say this type of dress is must have. It's those basic that you can dress up, you can dress down, and the fact that it's very stretching, is not restrictive at all. It's plus. This type of dress, you can style it at home, you can wear it as a loungewear, because since it's very affordable. I decided to take it in large, I decided to size it up, but I didn't want it to be too restrictive, because I have not taken the decision the way I'm going to be wearing, whether at home or on outside. Depends on your style. Although personally, I believe that is something that you can really style up. Yellow is a thing this year, so it's something that you have interest for. It goes with blue, it goes with rose, it goes with other color. It's something that will just give you that pop of color. It will just take your outfit to the next level. Although it's a basic, but it's a basic that you can really style up. You can take it to different destinations. Just imagine yourself with a blue blazer, with white sneakers, white bag, you are ready to go. Or with a rose blazer with white bag, white shoe, or even with black shoe, you are ready to go. I said this number here is must have, and it's very elasticated, so you can even go to your true size. It's something that you have interest for. I tried to size up, but I didn't want it to be too restrictive. It's just my thing, so do you bold, because it's very elasticated, so you can take your true size. Personally, I have intention to style it with this amazing Zara gorgeous blazer. Just look at this combo together. You will see it in the cutter. Just look at these 2 numbers together. I will say this is spring. Just look at it. Just look at the way it looks. Can you see it? Like, this is class, elegant, sophisticated, money. Just look at it. I will say this number here, I don't know if you can see it. It will look nice in every skin tone. Take yellow in consideration, because I observe that it goes with a lot in your wardrobe. It goes with different items. It's just a way to add each color to your wardrobe, but without going all over the place. But both of them together, I love it. I know it's very colorful, but just look at it. I think it looks very nice and lovely. Yellow is speaking. Wow. I don't know if you can see this yellow lemon. It's a little bit different. I don't know if you can see the difference between both of them. Like, it's different. I just love yellow. I think yellow, spring, happiness, summer is something that just give that inch of color, but at the same time you just put your outfit together, because it goes with a lot. You can add any basic jeans you have at home, or if you're somebody that loves dressing, just imagine this yellow with your tailor pants, whether nude or black or neutral or white. Wow, I don't know if you have that opportunity in your wardrobe. You have those massive wide leg trouser, white. Add this number to it. It will just take you to the Saint-Tropez, Miami. You are ready to go. I would say this type of number is very lovely, and for size reference I take it in medium, and for price reference was €19.99. I will leave all the links below so that you can pick your pieces, because we are rocking spring. We are not joking at all. This haul here, I decided to go for colored white neutral, but at the same time adding an inch of color, and I still have something that is a little bit black, but we will go to there later. I did this number here, it's must have. I really love it. Personally, I just decided to add this neutral jeans. I don't know if you can see both of them together. Wow, just look at it. I will say this number here is elegant. I don't know if you can see it. I will be doing the cutout so that you can see the way I style it. I just decided to style it in a very simple way. Although it's something that you can style up, you can style down, you can take it to the next level. I just decided to pick the most obvious way so that you can know the way that this yellow can really work in your wardrobe. Because at times when you see color, you'll be shying away for it. I'm not going to style it. At times it's the easiest thing. It's very simple. Since it's very colorful, it's already doing all the talking. Just add a basic jeans. This jeans is neutral, it's from Zara, and for size reference this one is size 8. It's something that you have interest in, and you have this wide cropped leg. Just imagine these two combo together with a nude shoe or a white shoe. You will look put together and very polished. Although it's a very casual outfit, button down shirt is something that is very necessary. Instead of you wearing the black one, the white one, we are already rocking that one in the winter time. This is spring, so let's take a little bit color to our wardrobe, to our outfit, to our mood. I will say these two numbers together. Let me know what you think, because yellow goes, if you are somebody that is shying away from color, yellow goes with nude and neutral, or with blue. It will look very calm and nice. If you are somebody that does not love items that is very colorful, you can't go wrong with rose color in spring. Wow, it's so feminine, at the same time it's very elegant. A button down shirt, rose color. Just look at the tip of this rose, and it will be doing the color so that you can see the beauty, the elegance. I will say Zara, well done. I just love the neckline. I think it's amazing. I don't know if you can see these details in the back. I will say this well made, is very feminine. And if you have opportunity to have those chunky necklace that Zara have one that I've already ordered. You will see it in my next haul. I will say something that you can take in consideration. Just imagine yourself with a chunky necklace with your trouser. You will just be, giving yourself a dancing movement. I will say this number here, I really love it. And I decided to style it in a very casual way, very basic. Look at this combo together. You will see it on the cutout. I don't know if you can see it. It's amazing. Just add a rose bag, a rose shoe, or if something you don't have interest for color, I will say add a basic black sandals or a black piece of shoe, black bag. You are ready to go. And this type of item is something that you can go style down. You can go add any flat black shoe with a massive rose bag. Wow, that is spring. It's very elegant. You're the one that going to decide the destination of this. And if you have the opportunity to have a yellow pair of trouser, it goes with rose. I've tried it, so try and play with color. You will find that it's very simple. It's not so difficult to style. And if you are somebody that shy away from color, I will say just add black to it, because black goes with rose color. It's very lovely and it's tasteful, but at the same time it's not all over the place. Just imagine it with this black trouser with black shoe, black bag. This number here, you are ready to go. It's very lovely. I just love playing with color in this spring, because it's just a way to add inch color to my wardrobe, but at the same time just trying to style these items the most obvious way, the most classic way. But we all have a black denim in our wardrobe. Although I can play with it, I can add a colorful blazer to it so that I will just take it to the next level. I decided to keep it very easy so that I will keep it very casual, because that is the way I like to style it in my everyday life. I think it's very tasteful and elegant. I will say this two number here is must have. And if you have the opportunity to have those massive dress, it's something that you can add on top of your massive dress. It looks very elegant. Maybe you are someone that you shy away from your hand, don't like showing your hand, or it's just question of taste, you don't like showing your hand. I will say, okay, with your massive sleeve dress with this number here, you are ready to go. Just imagine yourself with a floral massive dress with details of yellow. Just add this number on top. Wow, it's elegant, it's classic, it's very lovely. So I just decided to style it on the most obvious way so that I can keep it very simple and neutral and keep it simple for everybody. This gorgeous here, just look at these details of this blazer. Wow, I just love the elegance and the structure of this blazer. I think it's very lovely. I would say it's a little bit pricey because I don't know why Zara put this type of price. It's a little bit funny. I was called by the attention, the details. I think this type of number is very lovely. Just imagine yourself in the evening when you are going out. Just drop it on top of my shoulder with my massive dress, with my shoe and bag. I'm coming. I'm ready to go because I love this type of number. I think it's very elegant and sophisticated. You can't go wrong with this type of number. I think this number here is something that you must have. I will say size up because it's a little bit restrictive. I think it's just the style. Personally, I love things when it's a little bit free. So I would say depends on your sense of fashion. If you are somebody that loves items that is restrictive, I would say take your true size. If you are like me that love items that have a little bit freedom, I would say size up, because personally I decided to size up because it's very restrictive. The details, I don't know if you can see it, is amazing. It's well made. I would say it's very elegant and it looks very expensive, and the quality is amazing. It's something that you wear all over again. I don't know if you can see it. It's very cropped. I think it's very spring appropriate because a little bit of black short blazer that look very dressing is something that you really need, because when you are going out in the evening, even with a simple leather leggings and body, you did with this number, you will dress it up. I love this type of items that you can really style up, you can style down, you can take it to the next level. Personally, I decided to add an inch of color to it. I picked this body. Let me see the size. I decided to pick it in medium, and for price difference was €5, €9.96. I think it's very affordable. Since we are in spring, I decided to add this yellow under it. I think you just give it that pop of color. Just think about these two numbers together. I can add any skirt, any jeans trouser, neutral black. Just imagine it with a black denim or a neutral denim. Any type of denim will go together. I just decided to add this inch of color, so it's something that I can really style up. And when I was in Zara, I saw this amazing massive trouser. This is the way I have intention to style it. Let me show you the price. This one was a little bit pricey. It's €15, $49.99. And for size reference, I take it in large. I think I have to go and size down because the size is just all over the place. I think the trouser is sweeping the floor, but I just love the detail, the elegance of this trouser. I decided to pick this number together because I think in spring is something that you take in consideration. Maybe you are going to a place that is a little bit casual, but you want to dress up, you don't want to overdo it. Depends on the destination. I will say this type of number is must have. I don't know if you can see. Let me know what you think about yellow and black together. I just decided to do matching together with this blazer and this trouser. I think the fact that the blazer is cropped and the trouser is sweeping the floor, I don't know if you can see. I would say the only defect that this trouser has is something that you have interest for. It's just that you are going to rock it with pairs of heel because the length is just sweeping the floor. Zara said it's a long trouser. It's really is indeed. If you are a tall girl, I will say okay, this is something that is made for you. Although it's a little bit pricey, €50, but I say you can't go wrong because it's something that you can style in this summer because it's very, I don't know if you can see it, it's very lightweight. So it's something that you can style all over again. You can go rock it in summertime with your blazer cropped t-shirt, just name it, shirt, just name it, because it's very super high waist. If you are somebody that is searching for a pants, tailored pants, very lovely, super high waist, I will say go for this number. It's elegant. So don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Zara.